to take notes, Galaxy AI will help you easily create a full transcript and summary of your conversation. And this happens directly from the call screen, so you don't have to switch apps. It allows you to show up fully on calls without worrying how to catch every detail in your notes. Today, with the Galaxy S25 series, we're ushering in the future of Galaxy AI. A future where your routines are uninterrupted and elevated, and where communication, discovery, and productivity feel effortless and natural. Here's a preview. Galaxy AI works for you to encourage simplicity and convenience in your daily life. Like many of you, I reach for my phone shortly after I wake up. And my Galaxy S25 greets me with a personalized overview of my day, where I can see all the information I need in one place. We call it the Now Brief, because it proactively shares information tailored to me when it matters most. Like when I need to leave for my next meeting. Galaxy S25 shares relevant updates right on the lock screen. No more unlocking the screen or digging through apps. And it isn't all meetings and business. I'm a big soccer fan, but I don't always have time to watch an entire game. With Now Bar, I can catch updates on scores, highlights, and more for teams I follow on Google, right from my lock screen so I don't miss a thing. The Now Bar delivers real-time updates, keeping me informed throughout the day effortlessly. Now, you might be wondering, how does Galaxy AI anticipate what I need and when I need it? Meet Personal Data Engine. The Personal Data Engine organizes information into a knowledge graph tailored to you by understanding your context, preferences, and routines. To give you a deeper understanding of the Personal Data Engine, let's hear from one of the pioneers of the field, Ian Horrocks.
Hi everyone. It's an honor and a pleasure for me to speak to you today. What Samsung is able to accomplish with their personal data engine is unlike any other technological innovation on the market right now. At Oxford Semantic Technologies, we've been developing the technology behind the personal data engine, known as knowledge graph technology. Knowledge graphs provide a natural and powerful way to combine complex data and background information, similar to the way human memory and reasoning works. I like to call this knowledge-based AI. Using knowledge graphs allows computers to better understand information and thereby draw more accurate conclusions and deliver more accurate insights. This can have a huge positive impact on the usefulness of our smartphones and other devices. Until recently, smartphone services and applications have operated independently of one another, limiting their ability to provide insightful responses. The Personal Data Engine allows us to overcome this limitation by understanding a user's experience along with the surrounding context and storing it in the user's personal knowledge graph. As a leading global brand with a comprehensive ecosystem of smartphones and peripherals, Samsung is uniquely positioned to provide a holistic and deeply personal